Alright guys, so the first step here is wash your face. This is really important. If you do not wash your face, forget about the makeup you're applying. You may look pretty for around 1 hour, 2 hour, but trust me, the skin, it contains dirt. Okay, if you don't wash your face, आप मेकअप कैसा भी लगाओ, किसी भी ब्रांड का लगाओ, if you want your makeup to stand out, to not look cakey, this is one very important step. Wash your face. And now I'm gonna start with my wrinkle lift from Garnier. Okay, so this is like, I have used this couple of times in all of my videos, so you guys know how pretty it is. I love this product because my skin is it comes under most of all dry skin types, so this is totally good for dry skin. But if you are not a dry skin type, then you have to Google your type of moisturizer and buy it. Okay, this is good for dry skin, so people who have dry skin, you can get this is really affordable. Guys, your primer works in many different ways for every skin type. So for me, I'm going to use the Nykaa Prep Up Primer. This is so amazing, you guys. Alright, this actually tone, smoothen, and it just perfects the base. Okay, so this is a non-greasy primer. This is so good. Okay, primer works in many ways, you guys. It actually fills up the pores. Then it makes your makeup stay for a very long time, which is very true about primer. So primer is very important, you guys. Even I used to skip this because I'll tell you one very honest thing. I get ready only in the camera. Okay, I don't go out, like मैं बाहर जाने के लिए मेकअप नहीं करती, मैं अपने वीडियो के लिए मेकअप करती हूँ, which is like very often for me. So I used to think कि मैं बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ, so there is no use of primer. So that was the biggest mistake I think I did when I was when I was starting makeup, when I was learning makeup. So that is really wrong, you guys. Right, let me first finish my Corona Kada. This is in every Indian house, I guess. So yeah, it is good, you guys. You guys must have this.
Mm. I can't hold my cup because of the primer. It's so smooth, dude. So good, yeah. The primer is so amazing.
Alright guys, so let's jump into the foundation part. So let me be very honest. When I started makeup, even I had this doubt, कि पहले concealer लगाए कि foundation लगाए. So this question is still there in me, and after watching some makeup tutorials, I finally came to an end कि fine यार, I think it's foundation and then concealer. There are still many makeup tutorials where they first use concealer and then it's all your choice, whatever you decide. So let me tell you one more thing. The base which I'm gonna teach y'all and the base which professionals use have zameen asman ka farak. This is just my version. This works for me, so I just want you all to also try. Okay, so I'm going to use my foundation. This is the Fit Me foundation. This is the shade 120 Classic Ivory. A way too brighter for my skin tone. So I'm just going to mix it with the Nykaa Skin Genius. This is like, I do it in all my videos. Alright, so you guys can use your foundation, whatever you have, whatever you own. Just not important to use only these brands. This is something which suits me. So that's why I'm just telling you all. So I basically use a brush. You can also go with a brush if you have a nice fluffy brush, or else you can also use a beauty blender. Make sure you soak your beauty blender before you use it. Another important thing about makeup here, about the base, is if you're going to apply a concealer, then skip the step of applying foundation here in the dark circle area, because that becomes it actually, your crease lines appear and it doesn't actually look great, you guys. So you have to be really subtle about the base. Okay, alright, so for my concealer, I'm gonna go with the LA Pro concealer. Alright, so this is in the shade natural beige. Alright, so yeah. So I'm just going to blend it with my beauty blender here. You can use a brush instead again. so I'm just going to use my compact. You can use a loose powder instead. So I'm just going to take my Nykaa compact, and this is in the shade Rose Beach. Alright, you guys, if you guys like to carry creamy products on your face, there is no problem in it. But people like me, I do not like to apply these, carry these creamy products on my face. So I always cover them up with a compact or a loose powder. So again, I'm using the same compact. I'm taking really less quantity. I'm just going to pat it everywhere, just giving it a nice blend. Never do this step, but I believe it is very important for a perfect base, and especially for the beginners. So I'm just going to go with my Colorwa fixing spray. So this, if you apply this, the spray just melts your powder and the cream base, whatever you have applied, and it just allows them to absorb into your skin, which is very important in makeup. So I'm just going to apply this. So I'm just going to let it dry. Alright, you guys, that was it. And this was something which I always wanted to do, this video. So yes, so I hope you guys got your answers for the people who asked me about it. And if you guys also want another video on highlighting, contouring, and obviously eye makeup, different types of eye makeup, then do let me know in the comment section down there. And yes, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also follow me on Instagram. Also don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit that bell button, you guys. Bye bye.